Hello everyone. In this video, we shall take a look at the sensor or agent installation through the Graphical User Interface in EventTracker. The EventTracker sensor is a single package which will take different command line parameters and gets installed according to that command. The latest MSI installer is now simplified and allows the user to execute the deployment using a single MSI package. The EventTracker sensor or agent can be deployed using methods like Graphical User Interface, Silent Installation, and Active Directory Group Policy Installation. The supported operating systems for the sensor deployment are listed on this screen. Before proceeding with the deployment, ensure that you add exceptions both inbound and outbound for the ports shown on this screen in the Windows firewall. The GUI method of installation can be done via command prompt and using an agent INI file. First, we will have a look at the MSI installation via command prompt. Once you have the agent or sensor MSI package, extract the package which would contain the agent INI, EventTracker sensor MSI file, and the README text. Now launch the command prompt as an administrator. Change the directory to the agent MSI folder path. Next, type the command as shown here. If the user wants to install only the EventTracker sensor, then the CA should be equal to 0 and vice versa. Please note that in case you wish to have minimal screens while proceeding through the installation wizard, you can change the parameter minimum GUI as 1. Execute the command, post which you will be shown the installation wizard to proceed further. In the configuration screen, it will fetch the details from the command line. Click Install. And finally, click the Finish button to complete the installation process. Once installed successfully, it will launch the server connectivity status window which displays the connectivity status. For verifying, you can go to the install directory and check the folder structure. Now, we will have a look at the MSI installation via the agent INI file. Edit the agent INI file and enter the fields as shown. Please note that if the user wants to install only the EventTracker sensor, then the CA should be equal to 0 and vice versa. Next, open the command prompt as an administrator and then change the directory to the agent MSI folder path. Type the command as shown and hit enter. It will display the installation screens for you to proceed. Click Install. And finally click the Finish button to complete the installation process. If you wish to use a custom ETA config INI file, either by using the command prompt or via the agent INI file, please refer How to install EventTracker Windows and Change Audit Sensor document at eventtracker.com. This concludes a brief demonstration on the installation of the sensor through the user interface method in EventTracker. Thank you.